You know how when you're loading or unloading a barbell, if you have too much weight on one side of it, it'll tip over and fall off the rack?
Well, I want to put that to the test with my mini bench press and my mini barbell. Now, these things are scale model size-wise, but they're not scale model weight-wise because I have no idea how I would make this little plate weigh 4.5 pounds.
So with that, I have no idea what's gonna happen.
So I'm just going to start with 5 plates on each side and just take one off at a time until it tips, or if it tips. Okay, so we already saw that one plate is totally fine. And then taking off the second one, this is basically the max in real life. This is kind of the discrepancy that you can have before it actually tips over. So this is accurate so far. Let's go ahead and take off this one, and still looks good. Okay, so the mini barbell defies physics if you were to scale it up. That's, I mean, you kind of saw that coming. Now, is it like close at all? If I just like kind of poke this, yeah, it definitely feels less stable than if I'm like pushing on the heavier one. So it's definitely getting a little close. All right, let's go ahead and take this one off. Wow. All right, so 5 plates over here still, and then 1 plate over here. Again, let's do the little finger bounce test. Yeah, that thing, it wants to go, but that is just enough weight to hold it down. I guess the barbell, which is made out of stainless steel, is just a lot heavier than these weight plates, so that really helps to just keep it balanced, even though there's a lot more weight plates over here. Okay, and then I can almost guarantee this is gonna fall, but let's take off this last plate, and there we go. So it maxes out at a 4 plate discrepancy. So the second that you have 5 plates on one side, it's going to tip over. Very helpful information to know.
So when you buy your mini barbell, make sure that you're careful and you don't have 5 plates on one side and none on the other because it will tip over. You're welcome.